Hello, and welcome back to Exactix, brought to you by UDIG NY. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the manual mapping tools. We will begin with the tools that change your map views and assist you in locating specific points on a map. First, we'll start with the search tool. The magnifying glass in the top left corner is your search tool. You can use the search tool to look for streets, places, points of interest, and latitude-longitude coordinates statewide or within your current map view. To utilize the search tool, click on the magnifying glass. You will notice that the icon will turn green and you will see a drop-down arrow in the left-hand corner of the search field. To view your options, click on the arrow. To search for a street, place, or point of interest, begin typing in the search field. A list of possible matches will appear based on your search. Select the match by clicking on the option. You will notice your map will change to highlight the street, place, or point of interest that you have selected based on your search with a red outline. If you're looking to find a location on your map using latitude-longitude coordinates, click on the down arrow on the left-hand side of the search field and click on the lat-lon coordinate option. This will change your search field to accept latitude and longitude coordinates. Type in your latitude and longitude coordinates using a comma to separate them. The system will insert a space between the coordinates for you. And press the Enter Return key on your keyboard. You will notice your map changes to pinpoint your designated coordinates, indicating the exact spot with a red marker. Located under the search tool, you will find your Zoom In, Out tools. These buttons are a minus icon for zoom out and a plus icon for zoom in. You can utilize these tools at any time during the mapping process to get a better view of the map. While creating the location request, you also have the option to right-click on your map. Doing this will provide you with the ability to zoom to dig site, zoom to near street, zoom in, zoom out. You can use these options within the map at any time. The Zoom to Dig Site allows you to go back to your blue highlighted dig site area if you stray away on the map. The Zoom to Near Street will provide you with a view of the near streets you have selected in the location request creation form. The Zoom In and Zoom Out options work the same as the zoom buttons on the map previously reviewed. On the bottom left-hand corner of your map, you will see an icon that looks like two right-facing arrows. This is the Overview Map tool. You can use this tool at any time during the mapping process. Clicking on the Overview Map will open a small square at the left corner of your overall map, with a zoomed out area that includes your search point or dig site. In the top right-hand corner of the map, you will see a diagonal line with an arrow on each end. This is your Toggle to Full Screen tool. Clicking the Toggle to Full Screen tool will make the map take over your entire screen. If you toggle your map to a full screen, you will still have all your manual mapping tools available and will not lose any information on your location request creation form. To exit out of the full screen mode, click the X in the right-hand corner or the Escape ESC key on your keyboard. The three lines icon located under your Toggle to Full Screen tool is called the Toggle Base Map tool. The Toggle Base Map tool allows you to change your map to a satellite view at any time. Clicking on the tool again will revert your map back. The next set of tools we are going to discuss are the tools you can use to map or edit your mapping. To use these tools, you need to find a street, address, or point of interest on the map, or you can fill in the site information section of the location request creation form, and then edit the area on the map. Please note, for these tools, your Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo buttons will disappear as well as after saving. To start over after saving, click the green Clear Manual Dig Site Map text in the Site Information section of the Location Request Creation form. The Edit Dig Site tool allows you to change or edit the dig site area that is already highlighted on your map. To use this tool, you must have your dig site information already populated into the Site Information section of the Location Request Creation form. Once you click on the Edit Dig Site tool, you will notice it will turn green. Hover over your blue dig site with your computer mouse and follow the prompt to click one time. Clicking will turn your blue shaded dig site into a gridded, hash-marked blue area. And you will have 3 new icons on your screen: Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. If you click on the outside line of the now gridded dig site area, you will have the ability to expand your gridded area or manipulate the shape of your dig site. By clicking within the now gridded dig site area, you can move the area entirely when you click Hold and drag the area to your desired location. You can use the Cancel Discard button to go back to your original dig site. If at any time you need to erase a step you have taken while using the Edit Dig Site tool, click on the Undo button. Once you've completed your edits to your dig site, you can save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Once you save your dig site, the grid marks will disappear and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. The Buffer Street or Map Feature tool allows you to extend your mapped dig site to include nearby parcels or streets. Clicking on the Buffer Street or Map Feature tool will turn the button green. Follow the prompt and double-click on the areas or parcels you want to add to your map. These areas will be highlighted in blue gridded areas and bring up 3 new icons. These are Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. You can click the Cancel Discard or Undo buttons at any time. The Cancel Discard button will revert your map to its original state. The Undo button will take you back to your previous action. Once you have selected the areas you want to include in your dig site, click the Save button. Clicking the Save button joins the added area to your original map. Once you save your dig site, the grid marks will disappear and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. The Draw Polygon tool can be used when the area you are trying to map is an irregular shape. Once you click on the Draw Polygon tool, you will see the button turn green. Click one time on the area where you want to start drawing your dig site. Outline the area you want to map by clicking once at each point of the shape where the direction changes. When you have finished outlining the area, then double-click on your last point to stop drawing. The new dig site will be highlighted in a blue gridded hashed-marked area. And you will see the following icons appear on the map: Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. If at any point you make a mistake, you can click the Undo button to go back to your previous action. Click the Save button to finalize your polygon. Once you save your dig site, the grid marks will disappear and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. The Draw Rectangle tool can be used to draw either a rectangle or square dig site. This tool is useful when the area you need to map extends more than 200 feet from the road, for example, into a field. Once you click on the Draw Rectangle tool, you will see the button turn green. Using your mouse, click once on the first point on the map you would like your square or rectangle to begin. Click once at each point of your square or rectangle where the direction changes. Double-click at the last point to stop drawing. You will see the following icons appear on the map: Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. If at any point you make a mistake, you can click the Undo button to go back to your previous action. Your new dig site will be highlighted in a blue gridded, blue hash marked area. Click the Save button to finalize your square rectangle. Once you save your dig site, the grid marks will disappear and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. You can revert to the original map by clicking the Cancel Discard button at any time before you click Save. The Draw Circle tool can be used to draw a circle with a 200-foot or larger radius. To draw on the map, click the Draw Circle tool, which will turn green. Click once on the map where you would like the center of your circle to be. The circle defaults to a radius of 200 feet. You can make the circle larger by dragging the mouse out until the desired footage is reached. Once you have your desired circle, double-click to stop drawing. You will notice the following icons will be added to the map after clicking: Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. The new dig site will be highlighted in a blue gridded, hashed marked area. You can click the Cancel Discard or Undo buttons at any time. The Cancel Discard button will revert your map to its original state. The Undo button will take you back to your previous action. Once you have your desired circle, click the Save button. Once you save your dig site, the grid marks will disappear, and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. Please note, your Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo buttons will disappear as well after saving. To start over after saving, click the green Clear Manual Dig Site Map text in the Site Information section of the Location Request Creation form. The Drawline tool is used to draw a linear-shaped dig site, or to map out streets that have facilities located directly along or underneath them. This is the best tool to use when working between intersections. Once you click on the Drawline tool, you will see the button turn green. Using your mouse, click once on the first point on the map you would like your line to begin. Click once at each point of your line where the direction changes. Double-click at the last point to stop drawing, and you will see the following icons appear on the map: Save, Cancel Discard, and Undo. If at any point you make a mistake, you can click the Undo button to go back to your previous action. Your new dig site will be highlighted in a blue-gridded, blue hash-marked area. Click the Save button to finalize your linear dig site. Once you have your dig site, the grid marks will disappear and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. You can revert to the original map by clicking the Cancel Discard button at any time before you click Save. The final set of manual mapping tools is located on the top center of your map. First is the Show Map Feature tool that can be used to show details on the map based on where your mouse cursor is positioned. It will also show the city, place, parcel, and county. Click on the Show Map Features tool and move the mouse around the map to see the details. Once you have finished utilizing this tool, click on the button again. When it is in use, the button will be green. When the tool is not in use, the button will be blue. The Show Map Information tool is very similar to the Show Map Features tool, except you must click on a location on the map. Clicking on the Show Map Information tool and clicking on the map will show the following information: city, place, parcel, and county. It will not disappear from your map until you click the X in the pop-up window or the clear text under the button. Clicking the Done text under the button will keep the information pop up on your map. When you're done utilizing this tool, click the button again. When it is in use, the button will be green. When the tool is not in use, the button will be blue. The Measure Distance tool can be used to measure distance. This tool is best used when mapping an area based on distance. For example, working 200 feet east of the intersection. To use the Measure Distance tool, click on the tool, then click once on the spot you want to start the measurement. Drag the mouse to your desired endpoint and double-click. If the area you would like to measure is not a straight line, click once at each point the direction changes. Again, click twice at your endpoint to stop measuring. You can click the clear text under the button to remove the measurement line, or click the Done text under the button to stop using the tool and the measurement will remain visible. The Pushpin tool can be used to add a pushpin to the map. You can add as many pushpins to your map as you would like. To add a pushpin to the map, click on the Pushpin tool button, and then click once on the map where you would like the pin to appear. The pushpin will appear as a red marker. This tool is best used to mark a significant area before zooming in or zooming out on the map, or when repositioning the map to another location. You can remove the pushpins by clicking on the clear text under the button, or click the Done text under the button to stop using the tool, and the pushpins will remain visible. The Position to Current Location tool is the last manual mapping tool. This tool is best utilized to quickly get the map zoomed into an area near you without touching the Location Request Creation form. To utilize the tool, click on the Position to Current Location button. You will notice that this is the only tool that will not turn green after clicking. The map will automatically change and center in on the geographic location based on the device you are using. If you need additional help, please visit my.udigny.org and select ExactTix support. You can also contact your field representative.